Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we were in the exercise 4C in page number 62. Chapter is decimal fractions. Okay, no? Page 62. Open all of you. Sixth question. Evaluate. We have to find out this division part. That means quotient we have to identify. That is only the meaning involved in evaluate. Sixth question in that first bit. 9.75 divided by 5. Okay. 9.75 divided by 5. The same thing is written in the solution part as a starting step. Then 9.75 written like this, 975 by 100, because point is after 2 digits. This point is after 2 digits appearing here. To remove a point which is after 2 digits, we have to place a number with 2 zeros starting with 1, that is called 100. So then point which is after 2 digits can be removed. That is the method we have learned already. We are using that procedure. 975 by 100 will be equal to 9.75 divided by 5 can be written as 5 by 1 since no denominator is given. Clear now? Next, the same thing is written here, 975 by 100. Division symbol changed as into symbol. 5 by 1 will be changed to its reciprocal called 1 by 5. That is reverse. This type of sums we have done already. Reciprocal we have written. When division symbol changed as into symbol, 5 by 1 can be written as 1 by 5. That is only this 1 by 5 is called reciprocal for 5 by 1. I hope that part is clear. Then cancellation with 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 19s 95. 5 19s are 95. 2 left in that 25. 5 5s are 25. Here 100 and 195 can be cancelled with 5 table. But I am not going to cancel to make our task easy for the next step. That is 195 ones, 195 by 100 ones, 100. Here 2 zeros are there, starting 1 is there. Then I can put a point in the numerator in the next step, that too after 2 digits because of 2 zeros. Point can be placed in the numerator part after 2 digits, counting from right to the left. That is only 5 is the first digit, 9 is the second digit. After 2 digits I have placed a point. After that what is there? It is 1 is there, that 1 is dropped. So 100 is removed for the next step. So if you divide 195 with 100 table in the rough, you will get an answer as 1.95. Instead of going and doing the division in the rough, we can do directly after 2 digits. This point can be arranged, called as 1.95 can be the answer. It happens only when the denominator is with zeros, that is 100 or 10 or 1000 like that. If we have only this type of decimal point can be arranged. That is the reason I did not cancel, though there is a common table 5 there. Am I correct? So the final answer what we got is 1.95. This is the evaluation for the first bit in the question number 6. I hope this part is very clear. We will go for the second bit in the question number 6. Let us see. All of you look at the board. This is second bit in the question 6 only. 4.4064 divided by 4. We have to evaluate it also in the same procedure. Question is written again in the solution part. Now I have written 10,000 in its denominator. Why? Because your point is there after 4 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. After 4 digits point is there. To remove that point which is after 4 digits, I have to place a number with 4 zeros in its denominator. Then the point is removed from the numerator part. So 44,064 by 10,000. I hope it is clear for you because we have used already this type of method. Division symbol 4 can be written as 4 by 1 since there is no denominator. For the 4 I have placed 1. Is it clear now? Then this same fraction I have written here. The division symbol changed as into symbol. Then 4 by 1 changed to the 1 by 4 to its reciprocal. Now fourth table used to cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 11s are 44. That 0 taken as it is. 4 16s 64. That is 4 ones 4 and 4 times of 11,016 can be 44,064. Again there is a common table for both the numbers what I am showing on the board. But I don't want to cancel because this number fully with zeros and starting 1. Our task will be easy for the next step with the placing point in the numerator part 2 based on the number of zeros in the denominator. So I am not going to cancel that part. Numerator 11,016 once 11,016 I have multiplied by 10,000 once 10,000. It is clear now? Next 4 zeros number and starting is 1. So point can be arranged after 4 digits. That only first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. After 4 digits I have arranged a point here. That means 1.1016. This remains the answer. I hope this method is very clear for you. This is somewhat easy. Wherever the cancellation is possible we can do. But other part we cannot cancel though there is a common table. Finally we will get the answer in this way. Is it clear now students? Shall we go for one more question of the 6th sum? In the 6th question many bits are there. In the 10th bit I have taken again because your decimal point is there. There also decimal point is there. So far in the first part only decimal point is given. In the other part no decimal point is given. So that also in the same procedure, but still I want to teach that part. 10th question, in the 10th bit in the 6th question, 257.894 divided by 0.169. That only written as in the answer part starting step. Then points are removed in both the cases and placed 1,000 in a denominator part in both the cases. Why? Because point after 3 digits we want to remove. So that 1,000 should be placed. Here also point which is after 3 digits we have removed. So we have placed 1,000 in the denominator because 1,000 is having 3 zeros starting as 1. That's why this is the step we have generated. Am I correct? Next, same number is written by 1,000. That division symbol changed as into, then it's reciprocal 1,000 by 169. This 0 is appearing for the leftmost digit for that number. If any number is having 0 as a leftmost digit, that 0 will not have any value like this, no value for that 0. So that's why that 0 is removed and is just written 169. We have to memorize or recall. We have to remember that 169 possible only in 13th table. 13's 169. With the 13th table, if I cancel 13 ones are 13 filled in the 25, then 12 is left. 12 and side 7, 127. 13 nines are 127, 117, and 10 is left. Side 8, 108. 13 8s are 104. In 108, 104 is filled. Again 4 is left, 49. 13 3s are 39. Again 10 is left in the 49. 10 and side 4, 104. 13th table, 13 8s are 104. With the 13th table, if you divide this in the quotient, you will get 19,838. With that also we can write that part. Again 13th table I have used to cancel. 13 ones are 13. Again here 13 ones are 13 filled in the 19. Then 6 is left, side 8, 68. 13 5s are 65. In the 68, 65 is filled. Then 3 left, side 3, 33. 13 2s are 26. In 33, 26 is filled. Then 7 is left. 7 and 8, 78 side by side. 13 6 are 78. To make it more easy, with the 13th table you divide this first. In the quotient you will get 19,838. Afterwards again divide with the 13th table. In the quotient you will get 1526. That much only we will get. Okay now? Afterwards here 3 zeros were cancelled with 3 zeros. And 1526 once, 1526 by 1 into 1 gives you 1. Any number with denominator 1 gives you the same number, that 1526 or 1526. That remains the answer for the question, the 10th bit question, 10th bit from the question 6. Is it clear? I hope all the things and the cancellations and finally writing are clear for you. With other part of teachings we can do in the next class. Till then you have to do this part. Thank you, students.